Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. It's Cherry Mark once again. Yes, it's been a while since I uploaded a video. Thank you for everyone who is subscribing to this channel, and even for those who are joining me for the first time, and even for those who have been with me since then. I so much appreciate, and I'm so glad that you people are still with me and we are still together and the journey is going on, and yes, we are doing really great. So now today we are going to learn something else, and today I'm going to teach you on how you communicate when you go to a shop. I'm assuming you're going to a shop and you want to speak Kikuyu, or you want to speak Kikuyu to the person who is selling you stuff, or the seller. Now we are going to learn the conversation between you, the retailer, and the seller. So of course, the first one, you go inside the shop, and the first thing is you ask the guy, how are you? We have learned this 1,000,000 times, and once again I'm going to teach you. We mwega mwedia. We mwega mwedia. And the person will answer e de mwega. In simple words, it means we mwega mwedia. How are you, seller? Like directly translated, seller is called mwedia. The buyer is called mogori. Now when you go there, you as the seller, let's say I'm the seller, you come and tell me we mwega mwedia, and then I will answer and say e de mwega, and then maybe I will ask you ewe we mwega, or uhoro waku, and then I will say onani de mwega, onani de mwega, I am also fine. Now, okay, you have already greeted each other, and now you're looking after stuff, or you're looking for things, or you're window shopping, and you just see something that you like and you want to ask for the price. Let's say you are somewhere in a clothes shop, and you find something and you want to ask, how much is this kind of cloth, or how much are the clothes. Guoishinebia shigana. Guoishinebia shigana. How much are these clothes? Or you can say ore diatia. How much are you selling? Ore diatia. How much are you selling? Now the seller might tell you, I'm selling this for 1,000. Dire dia girie mwe. Dire dia girie mwe. I'm selling this for 1,000. Dire dia girie mwe. Now you might say, that's too much. Negoromuno. Negoromuno. That's too much, or that's expensive. Negoromuno. Now let's say you want to ask for some discount, and you want to ask for some discount. So this is how you ask. No ordinary. No ordinary. No ordinary. And then the person or the seller will say, no good gotineria shirigi komi. I can slice the price 10 shillings off, or I can give you a 10 shillings discount. No gotineria shirigi komi. Now let's say, for example, you want to say, can we bargain? Can we bargain? You as the buyer, you say, can we bargain? Not to dogorane, not to dogorane dogora. Not to dogorane dogora. That simply means, can I bargain the price? No to dogorane Dogora. Dogorana is the act of bargaining. Dogora is the price. Now you have asked, and the the seller will say, not to dogorane, not to dogorane. And then you might say, that's a good price. You might say, wow, that's a good price. And then you might say, in Kikuyu you say, Thogora ũcio nĩ mwega. Thogora ũcio nĩ mwega. Thogora ũcio nĩ mwega. Thogora, I am saying a little bit fast, but for a slow learner or someone who is still learning, Thogora ũcio nĩ mwega. The price is good. The price is good. Now you've bargained and he or she has said its price, you've discounted, you've gotten a discount, and now you've agreed for the price, and you say, wow, that's a good price. Thogora ũcio nĩ mwega. Now let's say you want to buy the stuff, and now you say, ngwenda kũgũra nguo ĩyo. Ngwenda kũgũra nguo ĩyo. I want to buy that cloth. Ngwenda kũgũra nguo ĩyo. I want to buy that cloth. Now let's say, for example, you've taken the product already, you are buying the thing. So now that you are buying the thing, of course you give the money. Let's say you gave 1,000 or 100 or whatever, and you gotten the change. I'm sorry, there's someone who's passing behind me, and I just don't want to. Okay. Now, I'm sorry, I had to cut off. Okay. Now you've gone there at the counter, you've gotten the price that you want, and you want to buy. Ndirenda kũgũra nguo ĩyo, and you get the thing. And then maybe you want to tell the buyer, the seller, can you pack for me? No ohigire. And then the buyer or the seller will ask you, most probably, let's say you are still in Kenya where there are no polythene bags, and you want to ask, and the buyer asks you, no, the seller asks you, do you have a bag? Wena mohuko? And then you say, dena mohuko? Yes, I have a bag. Or, Asha, dire na mohuko? You can say, no, I don't have a bag. Asha, dire na mohuko? Mohuko is a bag. Dena mohuko? Yes, I have a bag. Let's say, for example, you say, you want to tell the buyer, can you sell me one bag? No unyenderie mohuko omwe. No unyenderie mohuko omwe. Can you sell me one bag? And then maybe you want to ask, how much is one bag? Or what is the price of one bag? Uredia atia mohuko? Uredia atia mohuko? Uredia atia mohuko? And the seller will tell you, I'm selling it for 20 shillings. Diredia shirigi gefau. Gefau is 20 shillings, which can also be said shirigi mirogoeri. Diredia shirigi mirogoeri. Just to correct myself, gefau actually is a Kikuyu slang kind of word. So if you hear people outside there saying of gefau, it simply means 20 shillings, which is very common, and most of the people or the Kikuyu use it in their conversations, other than shirigi mirogoeri, which seems to be a very long forward. Now you get the bag. I'm going to show you something. Someone is okay, whatever. Now you get the bag, and now you want to bid the seller goodbye and just leave the shop. And maybe you want even to say thank you so much, I'll be coming again soon, or I'll come and buy again soon, or I will recommend this to my friends and family. Nĩ thengio mũno nĩ tũkuonana, or nĩ tũkonana mũthenya ũngĩ. Thank you so much, we will see us next time. Nĩ thengio mũno nĩ tũkonana mũthenya ũngĩ. Thanks so much, we will see us next time. Nĩ thengio mũno nĩ tũkonana mũthenya ũngĩ. Now the seller might also tell you thank you so much for buying with us, or thank you so much for buying in our shop. Thengio mũno nĩ kũgũra nduka-inĩ itũ. Thengio mũno nĩ kũgũra nduka-inĩ itũ. Thanks so much for buying in our shop. Thanks so much for buying in our shop. Thengio mũno nĩ kũgũra nduka-inĩ itũ. Now you have already said thank you, you are leaving the shop, and that binds the whole conversation at the shop. That's it for now. Thanks for joining me, and thanks so much for being with me. For those who are new, for those who are subscribing, don't forget to click the button over there. Share this to your friends, share it to your families, and comment. Drop your comments down there. I will so much appreciate to hear from you. Adios. Bye.